251603 and 251604. The People versus Raymond Verdude.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jeffrey Fanto on behalf of Mr. Verdude. Mr. Verdude's guilty and amended charge of operating while physically impaired. The driving license suspended or any matters would be dismissed. There's a traffic signal violation that will be amended to double parking. Completely responsible.
This other ticket, I see two. Oh, you're right. Okay. All right, sir. Real quick and real easy. The double parking. How do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible, ma'am.
All right, I'll accept that plea. That's a fine of $165.
We just put that in with the sentencing on the.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then, sir, you have this operating under, while intoxicated, it's being reduced down to operating while visibly impaired. That's still a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail. A fine of up to $300 plus court costs and statutory fees and 4 points on your license. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I take 7 medications that are controlled, and I was wrong. I'm sorry.
Okay, well, let me get there.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
And sir, did you go over your constitutional rights with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign this form?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that if you enter a plea of guilty, you'll be waiving these trial rights. There will be no trial of any kind.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand if you're on probation or parole and you enter a plea of guilty, it'll be a violation of your conditions. I don't know if you are or not. You understand that, though?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing all of that, sir, how do you plead to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired?
Guilty, ma'am.
Has anyone forced you to get you to plead?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything to get you to plead?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, were you operating a motor vehicle in the city of Taylor back on February 24th of 25?
Yes, ma'am.
While you were operating that motor vehicle, either before or during, did you have something to drink?
No, ma'am. I don't.
It was his prescribed medication.
All right. What were the medications?
I take Adderall. I take Percocet. I take Xanax. I take 9 medications from an accident and 7.
Okay, so we've got opiates,
yes.
Benzos, amphetamines. What else?
Barbiturates.
That was, but amphetamine was in the blood system. The other ones did not show. There was no alcohol.
How did those medications affect your ability to drive the vehicle?
Horribly. I've never done that. And I was.
Well, you have. You got a prior in 2018, so you've done it before. This ain't your first rodeo.
I'm sorry.
You had a prior operating while intoxicated.
That was just missed. I'm sorry. That was just missed. It was my blood sugar that was low when I did blood work.
So you don't take responsibility for anything you do?
No, I absolutely do. I was just saying, if that was the one in Dearborn Heights, that was dismissed in front of the judge by the prosecutor when I got my blood work back.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. I see that. All right. I'm sorry about that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How did it affect your ability to operate the motor vehicle?
It affected me too. I'm happy and glad I did not hurt anybody. I would never do it again.
I'm not asking that. Listen,
yes,
listen to Mr. Fanto, can you help me?
Sure. Mr. Verdude, you got it behind the wheel of your car, correct?
Yes, sir.
And as a result of your medications,
yes,
you did not operate the vehicle in the manner that you would normally operate.
No, sir.
And you believe that was as a result of your medication?
Absolutely. All right.
I'm satisfied.
All right, I'll accept the plea as knowing and voluntarily given. The other 2 files will be dismissed pursuant to the plea. You'll be referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigative report before you leave the building today, sir. You can go down to the first floor to the probation department, see if you can set up that appointment.
Yes, ma'am.
And then after that appointment, you'll meet with them. And then after that, you'll come back for sentencing. Were you fingerprinted?
Yeah.
Probably not, because he was taken to the hospital,
No,
Judge.
on that incident, I don't believe so.
All right, well, I'm ordering him to be printed within 24 hours.
Okay. Can I do that today?
Yes, you can. I'm sorry, you have 48 hours.
The order comes from probation.
Sir, your other conditions are you're to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any new crimes while released. You're to immediately notify the court of change of address or a phone number. You can't do any drugs and alcohol you don't have a script for. You'll be subject to random testing. Listen to me.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're literally on every class of drugs out there, barbiturates, amphetamines, benzos, opiates. I mean, you just shouldn't be driving at all, ever. You take all the drugs, sir. Literally every class of drugs that I can think of off the top of my head, you're on. So you can't drive. Why are you driving? If you take all the drugs, why are you driving?
That was the 12th time that I was driving. I have ever drove since I got to.
You shouldn't be.
I understand.
Because unless you're going to try and get your 50 medications under control, because I have a hard time believing all of these together are healthy or productive, or that your doctor understands how prescribing all these medications together could be problematic. But that's a you problem for now. You're subject to testing. You're to be fingerprinted. You can't operate a motor vehicle though, because you're not safe.
I understand that, ma'am.
He's under an implied consent anyways.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
My
All right.
vehicle's parked in the garage, ma'am.
All right, good. Keep it there.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can go down to probation and see if you can set up your interview.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank
Thank you. All right. This is Mr. Otis Purdue, 243383FY, and we also have 242504, and that's the misdemeanor offense.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jeffrey Fant on behalf of Mr. Purdue, waive formal reading, request the warrants be recalled.
All right, so the warrants will be recalled on the felony case. Sir. You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say orally or in writing can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney, and you have a right to have that attorney present during any future questioning and any future court hearings. In the event you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you, and I've signed the request for a court-appointed attorney to ensure you have counsel at your next court date. You have 2 days within the next, 21 days. The first is your probable cause conference. You can appear at that via Zoom. Your probable cause conference is set for September 8th of 2025. Following that, you will have a preliminary exam. At that examination, the prosecutor must show that a crime was committed and probable cause exists to charge you with that crime. And that will be set for September 15th of 2025 in person at the 23rd District Court. So you understand all that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And then on the misdemeanor offense.
That is a state case, if we could get that set for the 8th.
It is a state case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see here on Mr. Otis Purdue's case. I gave him a personal bond because he promised he'd come to court. He never showed up. Then he got picked up again. And then he didn't show up again.
I was detained by Southgate, that's why I didn't show.
Okay, and then on the other case, he had how long were you in for Southgate?
Just 2 days.
All right, well, the 2 hearings that you missed weren't 2 days apart. So, I mean, you don't come to court on this one. You've been in warrant status since January. So, Mr. Fanto, anything on bond?
His living arrangements are a little tough. The address is a good address for him, but he's had a bit of a struggle in that respect. He does want to get these resolved. I would note that he's in custody as a result of getting stopped for a speeding violation in Redwood, and Taylor went to pick him up.
Good for Taylor. So, Mr. Perdue's record goes back. He started young, maybe. He started in 1993. He's done prison time, multiple, at least once on that violation, 2000, 2005, 2008, 2008, 2010, 2011, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2013, 2014, 2014, 15, 16, 18, 20, and then 24. He's got a criminal conviction for every year, basically, since the 90s. The personal bond is not appropriate because you don't come to court.
When we talking about
So I'll
traffic,
make sure you come to court. I'll make sure you come to court, and I'll also make sure you don't have any housing difficulties, because I know just where you'll be, sir.
it's nothing but traffic, Honor.
Mr. Perdue, you're out of you've had 900 chances, you blew them.
I don't want no
On
personal.
243383FY, he has a $15,000 cash or surety bond with a GPS tether.
It's nothing but traffic tickets, Your Honor. It's okay. You bringing up old stuff. I'm in here for traffic tickets.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Nothing.
All right. And then on 242505, the BAC over 17, operating while intoxicated. I gave him a $2,000 personal bond last time on that one. He has a $1,500 cash or surety bond. So on the felony case, 15,000 cash or surety with GPS. On the misdemeanor case, 1,500 cash or surety. Sir, you're to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any new crimes while released. You're to immediately notify the court of change of address or phone number. You will have a GPS tether if you post your bond. Cannot possess or have access to firearms or dangerous weapons. You can't consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be subject to random testing at your expense. And those are the conditions of your bond, sir.
Thank you.